Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stir-fry eggplant that is super simple yet very delicious. The ingredients include Asian eggplants, avocado oil, salt, black peppercorn powder, soy sauce, garlic, and chili sauce. We will use 2 Asian eggplant. Try to find slender and younger ones from grocery stores. First, wash clean the eggplants, remove the skin, and then hand tear them into small, irregular pieces. I believe hand tearing makes the dish unique and more interesting and exciting than cutting them up into same boring pieces. Then chop up 3 cloves of garlic into rough pieces. Now, heat up a frying pan over high heat, add oil and eggplant pieces. You don't have to wait for oil to get hot before you adding eggplant pieces. Keep stirring so the eggplant pieces are heated evenly until they turn soft and golden color. This may take about 4 minutes. Now, lower down to medium heat. Next, add salt, black peppercorn powder, and optional chili sauce. Then give a few more stirs. Now, add garlic chops in, followed by a few minutes of stirring. Now turn up the heat to high, add soy sauce, and stir for another 20 seconds before dishing them out. That's it. Let me know how you do with this recipe. Thanks for watching Luke Cookbook. See you next time.